So before we're going to put silicone, really we need to clean it very well, and I'm actually going to clean this vacuum cleaner. So okay, so what I want to do, I want to actually caulk here with silicone, and I want to show you what silicone I'm using here. I'm using that G silicone, white silicone, 7 mold free, 30 minutes for water ready. Okay, and I'm using these tools, and you can see these tools called Pro Caulk. You can look at it. Okay, and you have a sharp corner here and curved corner here. I can show you the other one, there are a couple of them. But here I'm going to use the sharp corner just to make sure that the silicone will go inside properly. So let me show you. I'll start from here, getting close. You'll see I'm just putting silicone here. And you really need to put quite, don't be shy, just put a little amount. Okay, so I'm actually putting until here silicone, okay, just to show you. I'm taking these tools, put it here, 45 degrees. I'm going to make another pass with it. Now if you can see here, I'll take it here to show you how nice it looks. Okay, and a lot of people using their finger to do it. This silicone have a lot of chemical that you really don't want to use your finger. I'm taking these tools now, the Pro Caulk. So if you look at it from close proximity, let's see what we're going to see here. So you can see here, there is silicone that you can see vividly. And here slowly, it's difficult to see that there is silicone. The reason for it is the space. Here the space is probably 1/16, while here the space is probably 1/8. And that's why you can see your silicone, but here in this area, it's quite difficult to see the silicone. But believe me, there is silicone here, and it sealed the space for many years. Okay, we will continue now to seal this area, and there is another area here that I like to seal it now. So here is the space that I would like to caulk now with silicone. As you can see, I actually clean it with a number of tools, and with that also you see this kind of blade here. With this blade I actually remove whatever I can from here and from the ceramic tiles, and now I'm ready to caulk, put caulk. So you have to clean it very carefully. It's very important to clean before you actually put in silicone. So here I'm using the silicone. After we putting the silicone here, I'm using these Pro Caulk tools. Okay, there are people who are actually using their finger and stuff, but it's not really needed. In addition, this silicone is really a lot of chemical inside. You don't really want to use your finger because it will penetrate through your finger, this chemical. So use these Pro Caulk tools, and let me show you. I'm actually using the curved side here, and very easily, in 2 passes, I can get it perfect, almost perfect. result. So if you look here, you can see there is a little bit of imperfection here. A little bit of silicone is missing. Okay, so it can happen. You just put a little bit of silicone here. Okay, so here's the tools. I'm still taking the curved side here. This is the curved side. And again, I just push it. Now, if you want, you can use your finger. It's not needed, but you can actually go and use your finger if you don't like the result. But for me, the result is perfect. And here, I'm using this side just to clean. That's it. So if you look at the result from close proximity, you can see how nice it looks. From down, up. Here I just put silicone using the gun so you can see the imperfection here until here. So I want to show you how it's going to look after I'm using the Caulk tools for that. So here I'm using another of the Caulk tools. Here you can see it's a smaller one. It's very similar, but it's smaller, so I can easily maneuver it. And I'm going to go from here. Okay, this is one pass. And here's another pass just to clean the unneeded silicone. So that's done, it's clean. So if you look from close proximity, I want to show you the result and you judge by yourself. I just finished this corner, you can see here. And that's the other corner I already show you. And that is another corner here using these three Caulk tools to achieve this. I also caulk here around this spout so you can see how nice it is. Okay, so that's the way it looks from close proximity. Go down. And that's the way it's look after I caulk it with silicone. Using the Pro Caulk. This imperfection that you see here, it has nothing to do with the caulking. It's actually the remain of probably tinsel that I could not remove. So it stay here. So that's it. But the real silicone is here.